Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to add your flight ticket to Apple Wallet. Now for us to actually do this, what you will need to do is to either download the app where you have bought your ticket, so this can be on any airlines, or you can go ahead and search through your email where you will be sent your boarding pass. There will be an option there where you can go ahead and click add to Apple Wallet. Now this is what this would look like through the app of the airline right here. So say for example, we have this Southwest airline, and then you should be able to see the add to Apple Wallet right here. If you cannot see this, maybe what you would need to do is to first go ahead and check in to be able to get your boarding pass, and then you should be able to see your details of your information right this example right here, and then you should be able to see this add to Apple Wallet option. And this is how you would be able to go ahead and add your flight tickets to your Apple Wallet. Once that you have clicked on this, you need to go ahead and click on the add on the top right, and then you should be able to have your flight ticket or your boarding pass on your Apple Wallet. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.